Hello everyone, this is a demonstration of the Confluence Content Toolbox app we developed for the Codegeist 2021, and I want to show the functionalities of the app in this short video. If the app is installed in your instance, you will see a Confluence Toolbox page in every space of your instance, and if you go to that page you will see the different tools we provided that help to structure and modify the content of your Confluence pages. The first thing is add labels to pages, and I want to demonstrate here with the first one to which pages the labels should be added. I select apply to all pages in this space, and I want to add maybe the demo knowledge base label to all pages, and maybe also some other label. I call it just test label. I can separate those several labels by space, and then I click on add label, and after a few seconds I can see, okay, these labels have been added to all the pages within this space. So if I go to this one, for example, I can see no labels, but yeah, maybe the index needs to refresh, and now I can see here, okay, these two labels have been added to the page, and also on this one has been one label before, and the two I just added were are now additionally pinned to that page. So this would be the first functionality. So you can easily structure your pages by adding labels, and then use macros, for example, show content by label as an example, to display all the pages you labeled with this feature. And now all the pages have those labels, and then we can see what else we have as tools. The second one would be find and replace. So I can search for some text and replace it with another text in various or in many pages at once. So maybe I can select here the second option. I want to apply this to all child pages of a certain page. I can select here, for example, all pages which have child pages. And maybe I could choose the how-to articles of tool A, if I have a tool that's called tool A. And now I have maybe changed the name of the tool to something else. So I can choose that the text I want to search for should be replaced either in title, in the body of the page, or in title and body of the page. I choose this one. And I now want to, as I renamed the tool, I want to replace tool A with tool, let's say tool C. Then I click on run. And I can see that a list of pages has been modified. So everywhere these tool A text has been found is now replaced by tool C. So if I have a look here, those have been pages with tool A in the title, and now you can see it's tool C. But here in the text there's still tool A mentioned, because this search is case sensitive. So maybe I need to do this again and also replace the tool A with a small first letter. So let's choose those pages again. I want to replace this text in the child pages. Maybe I can just choose body, because there I have it written in small letters. Say, okay, I want to replace tool A with tool C. Then I click on run. And again, I have these pages listed where we have some modifications. if I go to this one again, there I can see, okay, in the text also there has been replaced tool A with tool C. So this is an easy way to replace such text in many pages. So if you have some renamings or something like that, you can easily modify your whole documentation. And for sure, we could have done this also for this parent page, so that also here tool A is replaced by tool C, but we can also do that manually. That wouldn't be a problem for just one page. And so that's the second one we can do here. We can also leave this replaced with blank. So this whole string we search for will be removed from the page. This is also working. And finally, we have add prefix and suffix. So we can add something to the page title. So I will choose the third option here to apply this only to certain pages. So let's choose how to articles tool A, for example, the troubleshooting articles, or let's say we only choose the troubleshooting articles. So we want to have some prefix or suffix to them. There, this one. So we have 4 pages. We want to add as prefix, for example, troubleshoot and then a slash. Then we some icon between, and we won't choose a suffix here for this demonstration. Click on add prefix suffix, and then I can also see, okay, these pages have been changed, and I can also see already the new title. So if we go to that pages, I can see, okay, in all those pages this prefix has been added. And this is also working for the suffix as well. So you can choose either to add prefix, add suffix, or add both at once. So this was the third tool we have within this app. You can always choose on which target pages you want to have it, and you have more options here you can select. And yeah, this is also something we want to extend in the future. So we have more tools. We still have some space here, so we could have also other pages or other tools we would like to install. And yeah, if you have just any suggestions regarding those tools, just reach out to us and tell us. And yeah, you can give it a try and try out if it helps you to work more efficiency when structuring or modifying any content in your Confluence space. Thanks a lot and see you.